Hi there, welcome back. Today, we're going to be talking about how to add dimensions to your plan. The basic process is fairly simple. Simply click on the Annotate tab at the top of the screen, and then, from under the Dimension panel, choose which of the various measurements you want to represent on your design. For instance, a straight line would be linear, whereas an angle would be angular. You can measure diameters, heights of particular spots. It's all going to be dependent upon what you need for your project. For now, we're going to go with aligned. This will let us show the dimensions, vertical or horizontal, between any two elements in our plan. All you have to do is indicate where you want the dimension to begin and where you want it to end. Because this dimension is aligned, that means it will host or snap to an existing object in our plan. In this case, I'm going to click on the bottom of the PP3A object to create the first end of the line, and then again on the floor of level 3. This will finish the dimension, which, as you can see, now we can move to where we want to be able to see the dimension more clearly. You can also establish dimensions horizontally. In this case, I'm going to click on the right side of one of my objects, and then on the wall on the right. Move the dimension where you want it in your plan, and then click. This is the exact same procedure as we did before. If, after you place the dimension, you realize it isn't where you want, don't worry. All you have to do is make sure that the Modify button in the upper left-hand corner has been clicked, then click on your dimension, and you can drag and move it, exactly as you did when you first created it. For instance, right now, the number for our dimension is sitting inside a wall. All we have to do is click, and then we can drag and move the dimension so that it's in a free spot. Then we just click again, and it's set. We can do the exact same thing with the original dimension we created. Just click on the dimension, and then drag it outside of the wall, so that it's in the free area, outside of the main part of your plan. Although we've only looked right now at the aligned dimensions, remember that there are tons of different options for creating annotated dimensions within Revit. Experiment with the different options so you know what you have available for every project. Each different dimensioning tool is going to have its place, depending on the shape of your component or what it is that you want to measure. Just be aware that these exist and that they're available for use in any of your projects. Alright, let's review. In this lesson, we introduced the dimensional tool. We talked about how you can insert dimensions into your project, as well as what the differences are between some of the different dimensioning tools, like angular, linear, and aligned. In order to insert a dimension, simply go to the Annotate tab, and from the Dimension panel, choose the tool you want.